Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I'm really merry today, and Merry Christmas! इस special occasion पे I'm going to be your Santa, slightly glamorous version, and treat you with a traditional Goan sweet called Kalkals. This recipe actually makes me very nostalgic, takes me back to my childhood days spent in my grandma's home, where we were always surrounded by Goan neighbors. And I have very fond memories of making kalkals with them for Christmas. So today, as we make this dish, I am going to give it a healthy twist as usual. We're going to bake it instead of deep frying it, use wheat flour instead of maida, and coconut sugar instead of refined sugar. So a brand new version of healthy kalkals. So let's get started. So we have a cup of wheat flour, atta. Make a dough. 3 tablespoons of roasted semolina, रवा भी कहते हैं इसे. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. This is optional if you don't want it, but I like it. It just tastes and smells really amazing. Now we add in our coconut sugar, around 5 tablespoons. Four tablespoons of ghee. Just becomes nice and crispy. Now we add in the milk, around quarter cup. And we just knead it all together. So this is how it's supposed to look, if you notice. You can keep adding in the milk to make sure that the dough is the right consistency. So now you take small bits. Place it on the fork. Just spread it. And you just curl it. It's easier to curl it around when it's in refined flour, but health is wealth, and this is how it turns out. So I've already pre-made these, so we don't lose too much time. इसे हम अपने baking tray पे डालेंगे. Yep. So our kalkals are nearly ready. Preheat your oven always. Mine is. We have to put it in for around 20 minutes at 180 degrees. And our kalkals are ready. I can smell them. So I remember asking Rosie auntie, who taught me to make kalkals, why are they called kalkals? So she said to me, because you curl them on the fork. And you hear that crisp? These are absolutely ready, and they look so pretty and appetizing. The best thing about them is that kalkals stay absolutely fresh for at least 15 days in an airtight container, and they're perfect for Christmas and as a treat, and can also be served for several days even with your tea. Make this with your kids and make memories for them too. Go on, try it out, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Tab tak ke liye, swasth raho, mast raho, and Merry Christmas.